I haven't tried making homemade milk tea before. Now that I already have, I just realized it's as simple as making Dalgona coffee. On a related note, I don't get why some recipes are just so difficult to pronounce. If you are in Cebu, you'd probably hear most people say Dalgona, which is funny. However, if you are in Manila, you'd probably hear people say Tara, Dalgona. No, that was just a lie. Actually, it was just something I made up. In other words, it was a joke to loosen things up a bit. I know it sounds ridiculous, but to be honest, this COVID thingy does not bother me at all. I'm not a religious person or anything like that, but for me, if it's your luck, it's your luck. Right, before I get hate comments. I don't mean to be sarcastic in any way. However, if you have already done your part by staying at home and staying clean, I guess everything else is undetermined, right? Okay, enough talk. By the way, I'm using McDonald's sugar and creamer for this homemade milk tea recipe vlog because I had McDonald's delivered to my place earlier. Not that anyone cares, but yeah, that is that.